Hey, this is Nick with Obsessed Garage and welcome to OG Academy. Today I'll be talking about Koch-Chemie's all-surface cleaner, what it is and how do we use it. So what is ASC and where does it belong amongst your detailing chemicals? Well, ASC at its core is just a mild interior cleaner. It is designed to be used on any smooth surface on the interior of your car. So things like plastic door panels, dashboards, leather, electronic screens, and glass. This product you'd want to use in a case where you're just wiping something down, not for deep cleaning. For deep cleaning, you'd want to reserve things like P&S interior cleaner or Color Lock leather cleaning chemicals. We have also found around the office that this is a great desk cleaner, keyboard cleaner, cell phone screen cleaner, things like that. Basically any smooth surface you're coming into contact with on a daily basis, this can clean it very well. So how do we go about using Koch-Chemie's ASC? Well, you're going to want to spray this onto whatever surface you're looking to clean, let it sit for a couple of seconds, and then wipe it off using either an interior towel or a Plush rinseless wash towel. A few disclaimers: I would not expect this chemical to foam at all, so I would also not recommend using a brush when you use it. Just simply spray it on, let it sit, wipe it off. Any agitation isn't going to provide any additional cleaning benefits. We here at Obsessed Garage are finding ourselves using ASC all the time, both at our desks and in our cars. Hopefully you took something away from this video, and as always, everything you see is available on our website. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below or reach out directly at support@obsessedgarage.com.